Welcome to Station Affirmation, hosted by the Manifesting Melodies channel. Today's podcast, Improving Relationships with Affirmations, a Mother's Journey with Her Daughter. We'll be exploring the power of affirmations to improve relationships, and we'll hear the inspiring story of one mother's journey to strengthen her bond with her daughter. Through her struggles and triumphs, we'll learn valuable lessons about the importance of staying positive and open in even the toughest of times. Hello, Mary. It's great to have you here today.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Mary, can you tell us about your relationship with your daughter, Emily?
Well, Emily and I have always had a bit of a rocky relationship. She's a teenager and can be quite rebellious at times. I've always tried to be a good mother to her, but it seems like we just can't connect.
That sounds challenging. How did you try to improve your relationship with Emily?
Well, I stumbled upon an article online that talked about the power of affirmations. The article suggested that repeating positive statements to yourself could help improve relationships and bring about positive change. So I decided to give it a try.
What kind of affirmations did you repeat?
I would say things like, I am a loving mother, I have a strong connection with my daughter, and we understand and support each other.
Did you notice any changes in your relationship with Emily after starting the affirmations?
At first, I didn't notice any significant changes. But after a few weeks of repeating my affirmations, I started to notice small improvements. Emily seemed more willing to talk to me, and we even went out for coffee one afternoon.
That's great to hear. But it sounds like there were still some challenges to overcome.
Yes, unfortunately, Emily got into a car accident and was rushed to the hospital with serious injuries. I was devastated and felt like I had failed as a mother.
How did you deal with the situation?
I continued to repeat my affirmations, hoping that they would help me connect with my daughter in her time of need. But as Emily's recovery dragged on, I found myself getting more and more frustrated. I couldn't understand why she seemed so distant and cold, even when I was doing everything I could to help.
That sounds incredibly difficult. How did you eventually overcome these challenges?
One day, as I was sitting by Emily's hospital bed, I heard a soft voice in my head saying, "I love you, Mom. Thank you for being here for me." That's when I realized that my affirmations had been working all along. They had helped me stay positive and open to my daughter, even when things were tough.
That's a beautiful moment. Did your relationship with Emily continue to improve?
Yes, it did. As Emily continued to recover, I watched in amazement as our relationship blossomed into something stronger and more beautiful than I ever could have imagined.
That's wonderful to hear. Do you still use affirmations to strengthen your relationship with Emily?
Absolutely. I continue to repeat my affirmations every day, knowing that they will help me stay connected to my daughter no matter what challenges we face in the future.
Thank you for listening to Improving Relationships with Affirmations, a Mother's Journey with Her Daughter. We hope you found inspiration in Mary's story and learned something valuable about the power of affirmations. Remember, no matter what challenges you face in your relationships, staying positive and open is key to building strong connections. Join us next time for more insights and stories about improving relationships with affirmations.